My career journey is possibly a wee bit different, a wee bit more varied. I started off when I left school working in retail. I worked in retail for about 5 years, and then I realised that something different would be more suited to myself. I always had an interest in engineering and practical subjects, particularly at school, and then after school I always enjoyed tinkering with bikes and cars, and I thought there must be a career somewhere in this for me, and where can I go from here?
So I've had a bit of colored past with careers. I was formerly in the Merchant Navy, and I'd done a cadetship and I qualified and I was an officer in the Merchant Navy, but it wasn't for me. I'm a bit of a home bird, so when I got home I quit my job at sea and come home, and I was looking for a trade, a kind of job for life.
Well, my dad and my brother are both engineers, so that's probably what inspired me. But I did physics and maths in high school, and that I was really good at them, so it was kind of the obvious career choice to go to. I didn't quite get the results to go straight into university of my choice anyway, so I went to college for 2 years and did a HND in mechanical engineering, and then applied for uni and got into for third year. So then I did my third year and got my bachelor's in mechanical engineering at West of Scotland University. And then I couldn't get a job because it's just, you don't get any experience in university. So then I just decided that the apprenticeship would be the best option to get the experience, and it helped with end up getting trade papers at the end and having a degree, so come out on the best.
Probably started with when I was in school, kind of getting sort of influenced by different teachers doing what path I wanted to go on. Wasn't quite sure if it was going to be university, college, or kind of just going straight into work, and because I wanted that extra learning, I decided eventually as apprenticeship because I was going to also get paid while being in an industry, but also getting that kind of that experience, and then also learning, getting the qualifications I wanted to. So that's how I kind of got into it, and it was a case of teachers were kind of like helping me sort of look at different companies and stuff like that, same with my family.
I was inspired because I always loved engineering and stuff like that in school, and it was how my brain worked. And then so I applied for uni and I did mechanical engineering at uni, but then I saw Rolls-Royce advertised online, and I'm thinking, I'll be quite interested in learning as you're going and stuff like that, so I applied and I'm here.
When I was at school I wanted to work in aviation, originally Royal Air Force, but I failed my medical, so I ended up doing a wee bit of work in construction then behind the bar. And then decided it was enough faffing about, applied for Rolls-Royce and I got the apprenticeship.
I was a 15-year-old boy who was at Paisley Grammar School, and what happened was it was coming to my exams, didn't know what I wanted to do, and my father sat with me and says aviation is the future of this society. So I decided to follow my dreams and do this, and got my exams, left at 15, did an interview here at Rolls-Royce, and it's been the best thing ever.
I started Rolls-Royce as a technical apprentice back in 2007. Prior to that, I'd done a year at college doing HNC mechanical engineering. I think probably the college was where the Rolls-Royce apprentices all went, so my year prior to that got to sort of have conversations with the apprentices and then speaking to the lecturers and the training officer. I thought it was something that I sort of wanted to go on and do an apprenticeship, get paid to learn.
I was interested in aeroplanes from a young age. I used to go to Lookers, up to the air show when the air show was there with my grandpa and my uncles and stuff. Up and watched that. Got really interested in planes specifically. Moved on to cars, like tinkering with cars and things. And then was always a big trip to the Transport Museum. I loved going as a kid, and from there it just progressed into wanting to know how these things work, how they're made, and just got interested that way.